Mukai kuingirire niguo andu mamakina kana kuingirira. Horo rata dentro. Sta Muhiko Daiga. Horo. Dua tanya kira kada yake. Runene no yako kanyitire rocio ke Ciana kana kwenye tena family now. Na baya kwa nakema Muhiko yao. 0716 240 669. Thank you so much. Para kaida gukinya mwisho wa igongona ritu ria muthenya wa umuthi turugamite na gitio kiu giothe turugamite oro uguo kidogo tu ndagika oro imwe nigetha tuhoerwo nikwendaga tukunengera mwangi ndagika oro imwe tu nĩguo kũheana ndũmĩrĩri yao ta family. Aikore othe mauma na kando nĩmarĩkia kidogo tu tunengere mwangi o ndagĩka oro ĩmwe na ũhoro ũcio nĩgũkorwo ĩmwe.
It's not easy, but to make it. Dad was a good person. He loved people. Dad needed to He loved us. He fought for us. He even defended us. We have lost one of our biggest pillars in our family, both from my mom's side and dad's side. Gainia Kwaria kwagirire no riri. Yeah, they don't know. Not before to get your dad together with Kuria. Those are people who have always worked with us. Because I can say kuna time sick kwa job, mom was not working, and dad was also not working. But there's this friend of dad never got tired to come to our home, never got tired to come and visit us. Baba Shiko, you're the one to take over in families. Please, see ati judad ameenda, utaichukua simu yetu. Please. Nimeipata dada kinungunika. Because I believe, both from our families, kuna watu dada ever alisaidia. But when he needed them most, no one who picked his phone. But Baba Shiko hajaituangusha. Mnaweza ongea vitu mbaya zake. But the truth is that he has never failed us. Kamburi also, Nama, These are people that would come and tell us that hatuongei na Kamburi alinikosea. But after 3 days, you'll find them laughing and calling each other all sorts of names. He was a loving person. He loved to see people together. He even loved my kids. Because I remember for the last 2 or 4 months, I and my wife, I used to wake up in the morning to take medicine to him because he was diabetic and had pressure. So the small boy who came here is called Miles Muhiko. Every time when I woke up, he told me, Baba, wuka. He would always remind me that tunafaa tupeleke daddy dawa. He loved him. I used to tell him, kehe nkiaraga guka umuthi. Ananiambia pana, kiuti kehe. Ucio ni mwanake. Ucio ni mwanake. Tondu no agutira mucio uriku. Whenever we used to fight with my sisters, he used to ask us. I remember like 3 months ago, he asked us, "Igethio go niguo mungiikara? No nginya murwe, no nginya mukumane he mundu heanaga irio." He wanted to see us happy. Even if they were the ones on the wrong, my dad would ask me, "Na we no munene guko igethio ngimaika uguo?" I would feel guilty and I come. I'm that he sorry me. He never wanted anyone to mistreat our kids. He used to wake up so early in the morning just to train my younger sister how to improve on his studies. And honestly, today when I went to school to ask for permission for him, the teacher told me that since for the last 3 months, Banis has improved. Because today, CRE alikuwa na 100%. Today, I'm talking about today. Social studies where she used to get 29. Today she had 50 out of 60. So, what Dad used to wake up to do to our kid, our baby sister, has been seen today. And it's a testimony that my sister is going to pass this exam. We are going to make it. That has helped so many people here. But I'm sure we are not going to get wasted. Karango, thank you. The day I called you, I could not meet Bishop JJ and my guy. When I called him, he told me, I'm in India, but let me give you 10,000. I've never interacted with Karango, but I told him Dad is sick. The next thing he sent was 10,000, which he never told me, give me back. Something else, we have welcomed everybody who was a good friend to my dad. And we don't want issues with anyone. If you had issues now with us, please handle it before he goes. Because me, I'm not going to handle anything here. Kama ulikuwa na deni yako, kama dad alikuwa deni yako, mimi usinitishe. Please, the committee is here, handle it. Na hii committee. Mimi usikuje, si mimi ulipea. Na kaa hata ulimpatia nisaidie ni asante. Lakini, mtu asikuje kutusumbua sisi na watu wetu. Tafadhali, respect as hivyo. You watu wa media, mumeongea mingi, sasa mmejionea leo. Mlisema Dadi ashikaniagi na watu. Hawa wote wenye mnaonaga wanashikania walipitia mikononi mwao. Mind what you post and what you say. It's so hurting. Because wewe furahia tu kutafuta views zako. Lakini kuna mtu anumiza zaidi. Knowing very well. Nilikuwa naibia kina JJ papers. Because na anajua and he would assume. Kwa kunyitanira nyitanagira na ndo karogi nyanyitanira nawe ni watu weke ni kunyitanira ninyi. So please be good to us. I saw even some comments yesterday at home. You are so hurt. So I just hope I'll be strong, but
thank you, Mwangi. Two.
Thank you so much.
It's well. It's well. It's well.
Tikwenda gukiria horo ucio hau. No nikwenda kuuga mundu wothe oete kamera iguru. Kiria mundu ahandaga no kiageka atia? Turithia ciana biu. Reke ciana irere biu ni uria urandika. Nigetha tukugathiririe na nigetha ugie na likes, ugie na subscribers aingi. No Ngai ndakareka mundu akome mbirira-ini atacaite uria anacaithia aria angi. Ndingiaga kuga ciugo icio tondu o guku kuri andu ega no gukoragwo na andu oru aria maragia o uria mekwenda aria tu tondu kihoto kiguoko-ini gwaku no muthenya umwe ciaku ni ikario na cikario ciana ciaku ciroreire na ni ugakona ihinda iritu muno tire no ndungi
ni gwenda unoti uhoro wa muthuri uyu as we talk now kadona mahujio na whatever matindi nishikie. This was closest person to this family, and I would love to put it clear to these media guys. Muhiko darari wa guteithio. He was not a needy person. Muhiko arari muteithia na ndenda kugo kaburi mainana ma na mundu gwitu itho waciko muigaie haha. Muhiko was not a needy man. Acio amwe mangieterero mateithie Muhiko ni akombori. Muhiko araikaraga gwake. So let it be known by everybody, he was not needy. Muhiko have a neighbor's son, and Muhiko was rich ate ginya twaiagirwo gwake ithui gwitu kurio. This man wasn't needy. No ndemwirire ginya jesi cia Kenya iria ndambure muno ni ikuagira bara-ini. He was a wounded soldier in the battle. Murimu ugiuka ugikua mutumia na uracokora mukua na tiwe wa mbere aini ni mathiete. Achimbaroza makwite na accent murugami wa uni Dimathew very many na gukua. Anybody can die. Ni kuhoya tuhoyaga Ngai areke tuikaikare kindly tiga igoikia maundu of the balance ndo aciana ici. Their father was not needy, and what we are doing, we are not giving because they are needy. We are doing because it's noble. Tureko gutondo ni prudent na ni wega wekaguo twe Jesu arira ndiria kufatithia Johana. Johana kifatithia Jesu. Johana ni aregete akoga wewe munene kungira ndiagirire kufatithie. No Jesu akimwira ni wega gwikaga maria mekanire na uthingu ona konde munene gugukira no nginya ubatithie. So we are doing this because this man was our senior. Ni arerete muigai nginya kumwandika wira. Ni rwimbo rwakwa kinyaga mbere na nyimbo nyingi twandikite nake ona video ya kinyaga mbere ni inite korabo na andu aingi. Elijah Mira here has been sponsored by him, and Elijah Mira is a great name by the Ohoti wa Muhiko. We used to be very down. No, this man, I reiterate, Muhiko was not needy. And I know Pastor Elijah Mira, you can ascertain. Matindi is here. Muhiko was not needy. Anybody who portray tare unneedy, he wasn't. I read to Muhiko na Mwangi Karai Moe, your dad was a fighter, was a neighbor man, was a path maker, path fighter. Nemodo gethire njira mutito mwiri ukimuhitiria thikoni nitu na arathi amwe itu haha kungiaria ma twina dawa mihuko na ingici ngari-ini makari mau marerwo manene maingi mamo mena dawa no ringiri gatito ka mwene ka ngoro kau nagwo no ni mwene. So let's not put this family na maithori. Their mother left like less than 2 years ago, and timehia mehirie haria andu moririe Jesu mundu uria hagutwo ni kwihihirie kana ni aciari akimura kirwathire uguo nigetha Ngai agocagwo. We have done this before, we will be doing it. Tondu ithuothe turi mbere ya gakuo na guothe guciara kiruta wira uyu. Let this man like aikaragu arute wira wake. If you feel you not give, don't, but don't talk much. These people who write too much on the social media, they give so little. Na again at the very young looking for viewers. Ithuĩ twathondekire rĩtwa gũtarĩ social media, gũtarĩ nginya Google. Hau niho JJ gũkire gũtarĩ media, gũtarĩ kĩndũ. Ũguo sisi ni magwiji. Muigai made a name gũtarĩ media. Mira made it gũtarĩ media. Kaburi and the rest amainana gũtarĩ social media. Twina KBC tu na ya review okay. We made our way. Mukituona tuheshimuni jameni. Heshimu huyu jamaa. He was a producer ti andu aingi korwo oinini wendagia tha ici thani cia CD. I think he's the man who have produced many the best selling oini wake. Kindly I beg you, then you are to register as your bishop. Let's respect this family. Let them mourn peacefully. Mamoni ginya turikie wira uyu muiritu cio reka kekeranio bansi kekeranio na thayo thii mu mahoere mukimenyaga kwanyu no gugakio kando ici karago ciugo imwe cia makia muno te kando ici ne gakio na ndui no gakia yaku tondu gakorwo ho ndirathire handu haha farahe handu haria ndio mathanduku kindu mwaka muthiru ngiuria mutumia ucio ithanduku riri rima mbia cigana ngikora ria 40 ria 60 na ria 200 ngimurire ria magana meri ni order kana rina mundu makinjira mwene ari oguku bara kihituka ari oguku tutimwe no ari oguku mwene riri atona no korwo hitukiro haha no gutiri mundu ithanduku riake tori kagurwo ni committee ni wega tuma andu atatu koguo mwene ari oguku ta imagine riaku no korwo ri handu ni iriku no uri oguku ukiaragia ukimesaga around ugikaga atia na tu media twaku. We own media houses and we don't talk much. We own media houses, not online channels. We own media houses and we don't talk much. Na haha hena athuri mena indo nyingi muno makirite guku tu oguo romana na togoti itonga ihorerete, but ile feri ye mutinire negenaga muno. I beg you mureke turiki rugendo ruru na ciana ici tigaite maithori magaitwo gwaku kana kwanyu. I'm not saying this to you mourners, I'm saying this to those who are hurting this family. The morning that Muhiko died, Ngai ni arekire athie nie mainanama Elijamira Mwaigai gutiro ngianyitikire na thimu. Our phones were off. Gitumi kia Ngai kuhoria thimu citu ciothe ati mundu wanyitikire ni mundu wija ya bururi nginya kamburi danyitikire tondu ni tungiarugamire gatagati ka Ngai na Muhiko. Maybe ni tungiageririe nginya kumutwara kundu tukugiria Ngai eke wendi wake. Why did God have to come between us and agekiria thimu citu ithie? So that he wanted him to rest. He really wanted him to go. And the time will come. Nobody will stop. My friends will mourn and will come do what you have done here. Somebody will speak the way I have spoken. Na mutiri mundu karuga gatagati gaku na Ngai akobatara. Na muthenya ucio muratoro kwendete muno agakorwo thabari kana thimu yake tari higa. Like he did. Muru uyo ni muthoniwe. They have married sisters. He could not be reached. Aria marichekaga ni asofinga after everything was done and the man had gone. He died peacefully. And he is at peace. Let him rest and let the family rest in peace. Ithuĩ twĩ haha kama wazee wa kitambo na inia rĩu na andũ a thutha ũyũ na andũ a memerekia na andũ a online na andũ a media arĩa othe a wendi mwega tũtigĩrĩre ũira ũyũ nĩ wathira na mwana ũyũ nĩ athoma na Mwangi nĩ oya mũthĩgi wa family ĩyo. So we are not raising funds because the man is needy. We want to stabilize the family. So the death was sudden. The death was so sudden hatiarĩ time ya kwĩgaya. Kuri andu marwaraga muno makahinyiririka akahota kurauga ingĩendona nona no kuri andu maguthukagirwo ataugite wendi wake. Riu wendi wake ni ithuĩ tukuga ta arata na inyuĩ tubange uria tungiona kone gwaku ukika atia tugitiga Mwangi tumutige ndari thiri togwauga na ndagoke kurandurwo thiri ni mundu. Let's put it very well. Aikoro hera na thiri wa Muhiko mbeca iria irarutwo guku ni committee ni cia guthika Muhiko ti cia kuriha mathiri make. Thiri wake rĩrĩa mũkaigua kea gĩake kana nyũmba yake Mwangi nĩ endia kana mũgũnda wa Muhiko Mwangi nĩ endia ũgathi ũgĩre thiri tondu indo icio nĩ cia Muhiko ciendio. No mbici irarutwo guku nĩ citũ. Mureke tubange mathiko mundu withire urari Muhiko arana thire wake na turikie program citu na bia citu ici ndukagire ti cia Mwangi ti cia family ni citu ta endi wendi mwega until turikie mathiko kira gigatigera tone family mweterere Mwangi akendia mugunda wa ithe kana broti ya ithe uke urandure akorwo ti uguo muigai haha na ni njugire ukuri ukiuhigaga ukinenehaga kamburi haha na andu angi ni tutigagira oria karango ugire kuri andu tutigagira bara ithuĩ nitwatigire bara lakini hawa wazee wako hiyo mambo you will able to respond. Asante sana Karango, you can continue.
Kunengera murata witu gwitwo ND niwe ugutuhoera bishop atuhe kirathimo magare
kanitoe papa witu wa iguru thiini wa ritwa ria Jesu Kristo ni twagutia thengio ni tondu wa gutuhe kiambiriria kiega na ningi watuhe kirikiro kiega thayo waku ithe